Padayong nakigsabot ang Sunrise Events Incorporated sa lokal nga kagamhanan sa Sugbo alang sa ikapito nga tuig sa Cobra Energy Drink Ironman 70.3 Philippines nga ipahigayon karong Domingo, Agosto 2.
Dealing with for the different cities, for the different cities. So first we have Lapu-Lapu, we have Mandaue, we have Talisay, and we have Cebu City. All of them have DPWH officers, and all of these were cascaded to the national government from the region itself. Okay? So we're coordinating with them for a very, very long time because one thing that we learned for the past several years in working for this kind of event is coordination, better coordination. So we've informed them way months ago of the route, the race, and our timelines as well.
Niabot ngadto sa 2,168 ang partisipante sa Ironman 70.3 Philippines karong tuiga. 300 sa maong mga partisipante nagikan sa Sugbo. Ang kompetisyon salmutan usab sa mga professional triathletes sama nila Pete Jacobs, Craig Alexander, Caroline Stefan, Brent McMahon, Belinda o Justin Granger, Michelle Wu ug uban pa. Ang Cobra Ironman 70.3 karong tuiga mo'y magsilbing qualifying race alang sa 2016 Ironman 70.3 World Championships nga ipahigayon sa Sunshine Coast, Australia. Kini si Jean Mondoñedo-Ynot alang sa Sunstar Pilipinas.